Hi, my name is Amani and I'm working as an associate software developer. So sometime back I wanted to have career advancements and I thought about learning MuleSoft. So when I started looking for a good training platform to learn MuleSoft, I heard about HKR Trainings. I read the reviews about it and decided to learn MuleSoft from HKR Trainings. I'm very pleased with the training they provided. It doesn't matter if you are an experienced person or you're a fresher because the trainers in HKR give you all the knowledge required on MuleSoft. They offered us a real-time project after the completion of the course. So I have gained practical experience on MuleSoft as well. They also provided job support and mock interviews along with the course, which helped me a lot. I have cracked my interview and joined as a MuleSoft developer. Thank you, HKR.